Hi, I'm Jules Mitchell, author of Yoga Biomechanics, Stretching Redefined. If you and your teaching community, or you and the teachers at your studio, are interested in learning a bit more about biomechanics and how it relates to yoga, I am your person. It's one of my favorite things to do is to come into a new community and teach in person. We go over a lot of lecture and academic research, that kind of stuff, and then we also take lots of time to apply it in a practical sense. My courses are all very fluid. I am always entertaining messy questions, and even though I have an agenda, I allow the courses to kind of take their natural course. That said, I also do have some more flexible courses where I can work with you on specific items that you'd like covered, or I can just show up and do my thing and share my work with you. Nothing would make me happier. So just reach out and let's talk about dates, times, all that good stuff. I'd love to come to your space.